Hello, this is Team Robinhood. I'm Sanket Gaikwad. This is Sneha. That's Kunal. We are working on the problem where that India is lacking in the toilet industry is that accessibility, hygiene issues, and moreover when the cleaning process is happening, like male or female, whoever is cleaning the washroom, they face a lot of problems like the harpic, which has HCl in it. It burns on your feet. It disheartens, and moreover rashes get caused with when you clean it manually and on regular basis, as it is prescribed that you should clean your washroom at least thrice a week. So according to that, when three times a week it is getting cleaning, then it affects on your health as well. So this is what. And on hygiene issues, there are many more problems, many more diseases that come in contact with you. So like moreover you get UTI, SARS, and urinary infections. And for example, if someone with the urinary infection has used the washroom already, you have a concern and you have a fear that you might also get contaminated and you might also get prone to that disease. So for that, to tackle those problems, we bought a smart toilet which basically cleans itself. It has all the smart technology features. It opens and closes. The flushing mechanism also helps you in moreover cleaning and reducing and saving the water as well. And we also have a catch that when the we our smart toilet goes beyond the normal toilets, as we also cover the groundwater part as well. So brown water, when it enters to one certain chamber, there it separates in dry and wet waste, which is also a big problem for the world to separate that.
How dry and wet waste? Because
Okay, so
one
dry and
goes
wet waste is basically we have a separator using animal protein. We created a semi-permeable membrane. Through osmosis pressure, water comes out of it and gets into the other region, where we can add PAC, which will convert that water into reusable mode, and we recommend it for the flushing system only. And from the dry waste part, we can add anaerobic bacteria, which can convert it into fertilizers and manures, which our team will take it out and take it to the farmers, which they can use for the crop fertilization as well. We also have the website, full-fledged website. You can go through that, and on that we will contact you. If you book an appointment, we'll contact it to you, and we'll set up and everything. All the services will be provided.
so can you name the website?
Website, it is loosefear.odo.com.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.